Tired of losing fights in Fortnite because of terrible frames per second? Let's dive into some of the best methods to seriously boost your FPS and make your gameplay butter smooth. First, head to the Fortnite settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Inside the settings, select the video tab. This is where the magic happens for performance optimization. Now, follow these steps first. Set your window mode to full screen next. Ensure your resolution matches your monitor's native resolution. Then, it's time to tweak the graphics quality settings. Here's where we optimize. Set view distance to medium, shadows to off, anti-aliasing to off, textures to medium or low, effects to low, and post-processing to low. Disable VSync and motion blur. Next, let's move to advanced graphics. Make sure allow multi-threaded rendering is set to on. Turn on NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency to on plus boost if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. Skip this step if you do not. Finally, ensure your frames per second is set to the highest value your monitor can handle, or a lower value such as 60 if you're experiencing instability with higher frame rates. By implementing these settings, you should see a massive improvement in your FPS and consequently, smoother gameplay. Remember to test these changes in an actual match to fine-tune them according to your setup. Game on, and let me know in the comments if these tips helped boost your performance.